Hurricane Zeta, the big story in the northern Gulf as we go throughout the next couple of days. Right now, sustained wind at 80 miles per hour. It is coming to shore near Cozumel and Cancun in the Yucatan Peninsula. This will be crossing land tonight, getting back into the open Gulf tomorrow, and then it will likely curve back into the northern Gulf by late Wednesday, approaching New Orleans as a Category 1 hurricane. Late Wednesday, and likely the remnant low center moving just along and southeast of I-2059, brushing by our area, and then going into the mid-Atlantic near Washington, D.C. by Thursday evening as a tropical storm. Now, the wind field will be pretty intense over the open Gulf of Mexico. Very strong wind as it approaches Louisiana. It's going to lose its luster rapidly once it comes ashore, but we are still thinking there will be some pretty good wind gusts in southern Mississippi, a good chunk of southern and maybe central Alabama too, just southeast of I-2059. So we, at this point, look like we're going to be on the northwestern side of this thing, so not too terribly intense around here, but we still may see several inches of rain. Some of that rain really starts to pick up tomorrow night, lasting through Thursday morning. Several inches, 1 to 4 possible. Some wind gusts may be over 30 miles per hour here, but that tornado threat, which is always present, generally speaking, with a landfalling storm on the eastern side of the circulation center, is likely going to stay to our southeast, just the way the track is looking now. We have clouds that will fill back in a little bit tomorrow. Some showers are possible. Heavier rain tomorrow evening and tomorrow night as this warm front lifts in from the south. There's the hurricane Wednesday afternoon. We have an area of low pressure. We have a cold front. We have a winter storm in Texas and Oklahoma. Now, this front is going to nudge the hurricane ashore, and it will likely deflect it to the northeast. And notice how most of the effects will be southeast of our area, but we will have some wind, some breezes. A cold front will clear things out. We may have a little bit of a breeze or a little bit of a clearing trend as we get into our Thursday before we finally get the clearing out of here again on Friday. So we're thinking several inches of rain, especially from southern Mississippi through a good chunk of Alabama. For us, about 1 to 4. Here's our Alpha Insurance camera network. You can see some of those clouds earlier today. We've had some overcast conditions at times. Here's your first alert forecast. Jazzy here this evening. Look at Jazzy enjoying the woodpile here. Temperatures will be in the 50s when we start out. We are looking at 70s in many spots tomorrow afternoon, but only upper 60s in the far northwest. Maybe a shot at the upper 70s in the southeast. All right, here's your AccuWeather 7-day forecast. We got 70s through Thursday, breezy, wet with the remnants of Zeta moving on through. Your weekend's looking pretty good. Cooler though. Sunshine, 60s for highs, lows in the 40s.